I'm joined by a good mate of mine, Steve.
How are you, mate? You all right?
Very well, very well.
Good to be back in the kitchen with you.
I feel like you've got a bit of a fast and furious number happening here today.
Fast, but not so furious.
All right.
I think it's like one of those quite relaxed,
nice little
very
midweek
simple midweek dinner. Perfect.
Beautiful.
I think it's just beautiful produce.
What's the go with this dish? You're something you cook up all the time, or?
It's definitely a summer dish.
Yeah.
It's something that I remember from my childhood. Summer holidays were in Portugal and Spain and Italy. So
nice.
The Mediterranean influences and just the simple use of good produce, concentrating on amazing things like olive oil and salts and the acidity of tomatoes. Yeah, I mean, all that good stuff.
Love it. How do we put this one together?
Matt, we'll start with the fish, and something that I'm always keen to do is to try and get that crispy skin.
Yeah. It's a must-have, isn't it?
Yeah, and for me, it starts with getting some moisture out of that skin.
So a similar way to what you would treat, you know, everyone knows the drill when it comes to pork belly.
Exactly.
You want to get some 100%. Moisture out of the skin. That's what's going to help make it nice and crispy.
Otherwise, when that hits a hot pan, that water will essentially turn to steam. And you're not going to achieve that crispiness. So we'll leave that for a few minutes, and we'll move on to our Sauce Vierge. So some of the tomatoes I'm going to cut kind of in half.
You lean to you like the French style of cooking, don't you?
I love it.
You lean towards that. Yeah, the classics.
Usually lots of butter, but today we're
nice
going to keep
super
it
clean. Yeah. A little bit of extra virgin
pretend
olive oil.
Pretend we're on a detox. Beautiful tomatoes. What I'm going to quickly pop on there is a bit of salt onto the tomatoes.
Yep.
Tomatoes love salt.
Yep.
Best friends.
It's going to start to draw a little bit of that flavour out too. Get a bit of a dressing happening.
Now with the echalot, I'm just going to pop some lines down there. And look, this is raw onion going into the salad, so.
Yeah, this is the good stuff though. These are nice little
slightly sweeter.
Yeah, beautiful.
So we've got gorgeous echalots. We've got a few capers.
Do you want me to give this a little?
Yeah, let's get some oil.
A little bit of the oil.
Artichokes. Now, not the Jerusalem version, the marinated artichokes. Now, these come in the big flour form.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you have, at some point in your food career, attempted to
deal with them.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you know what? It's a waste of time. Yeah. Like, the yield you get is pointless.
Yeah. They can be a slight nightmare to deal with.
You know, let's just let the guys who can do this sort of stuff, let them do the hard work. So, we've just got some sliced marinated artichokes just to go through the salad. We'll pop that there. Delicious. And so, snapper, skin side down into a beautiful bit of olive oil.
Yep.
Nice and hot. And as you can see, pressing the fish down there. And that's just to keep the skin in contact with the pan at all times, so we achieve that even cook.
So that fish is cooked, we just flipped it, and that's off now.
We just put the score marks in there just to stop it from curling,
and
it's going to help it cook as well.
Worked an absolute treat.
So we can leave that on the heat, allow it to cook. We've got the majority of ingredients for our salad. We'll just pop that into a big bowl.
The echalots, the artichokes, the capers, those lovely cherry tomatoes, some chives, basil. What else goes in there? Just a little bit of...
You can have a little bit of vinegar.
Yep.
So chuck the herbs in, basil, vinegar, and last of all, a gorgeous glug.
Beautiful.
Of olive oil. So Sauce Vierge is literally just tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and a little bit of vinegar.
Mate, that looks sensational.
And basil.
It's got summer written all over it, doesn't it?
When our fish is done, we'll make a beautiful little nest of the salad onto the plate, lay that over, squeeze a lemon, we're done.
Absolutely stunning looking dish there. I feel like the only way that we can give this to someone to taste, it's got to be young William.
It's got to be Will.
Yeah.
Get in here, son.
In you get.
Knife and fork for you.
You've been very well behaved.
The freshest of seafood, the most...
Come on. Actually going to let me try this?
It's all yours.
We made it for you.
Look at that.
Tell us what you
think. What do I think?
Australia's best seafood.
It is. Is that a Sauce Vierge you've used?
Yes.
Is it? Yeah, amazing. Yeah. Let me have a big mouthful of that.
Oh. Delicious.
What are we thinking?
That is outstanding. Best mouthful of food I've had in a long time.
Good. It looks sensational. I'm sure it tastes incredible. Thank you, mate. You're a very good sport.
Thank you so much.
Always good to see you.
Getting to try that food out of this world.